Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best iPhone projector. As you look at the different projectors available to you, we recommend only considering options with seamless iPhone connectivity, whether it's through a direct wired connection or through wireless options like Bluetooth. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best iPhone projector. Number 1. TopVision T21 iPhone Projector. TopVision 5500L Portable, one of the best iPhone projector. The TopVision Mini projector features a solid 480p resolution, plus an impressive 3:0:0:1 dynamic contrast ratio. You can also attach other multimedia devices like Amazon Fire TV sticks. The TopVision also features an SD card slot and dual USB flash drive slots for more versatility. It even features 2200 lumens of brightness. With all of these image quality features combined, you get a bright and colorful display. Number 2. Goody YG200 iPhone Projector. The Goody YG200 is the best budget projector for iPhones. The projector is also bright enough to work well in dark rooms or other spaces with minimal ambient light. YG200 features a 480p resolution on a display that can be sized upwards of 60 inches. Where the Goody really shines, though, is in its overall build quality. Its compact size is more durable than other options and holds up well when carried around in bags or pockets. Number 3. Mir YG300 iPhone Projector. Mir Pico iPhone Projector is another super portable and super compact projector. The Mir also features incredibly user-friendly controls, with buttons that are easy to press and clearly labeled. It features a tough exterior casing that can handle drops and bumps with ease. It features 240p resolution and 400 lumens of lamp brightness. The Mir has had to make some trade-offs when it comes to picture quality and brightness. Number 4. Anker D4111 iPhone Projector. The Anker Nebula projector is a portable can-shaped mini projector. It is super easy to operate. We found a native output of 720p HD and up to 120 inches of display on this projector. It is designed with a DLP technology that outputs 200 lumens of light. It also comes with integrated loudspeakers and a built-in battery. It produces a rectangular, ultra-sharp image from all angles, thanks to an inbuilt keystoning and autofocus technology. Number 5. Kodak Rotgis 75 iPhone Projector. The Kodak has lower brightness at 25 lumens and resolution at 360p. However, with its advanced DLP optical engine, Kodak can boost its own brightness and overall image quality. It helps create impressively accurate colors that look great. On top of the projector, you'll get touch controls for standard video playback controls. We still recommend using the Kodak Pocket in dark or low ambient light scenarios for the best result though.